So this is one of the most popular visualization in Tableau, which is called a heat map. So colors are the key in the heat map. So the denser the color is, the basically it shows the more value. So it represents, if you see the profit, if it's in red, it saves the color, it gets darker where the profit is more, where the profit is less, sorry. So and on the yellow side of gradient, it means that the profit is on the positive side of it. So the gradients are very important in these kind of heat maps, and not only in Tableau, in any kind of data visualization tool you will use, you can visualize this through this. Next up is tree maps. So you can represent it in form of rectangular forms. You can play around with colors over here, as you can see. So the darker the green color is, the more its value is. So as you can see here, the maximum value is going up to 320,000 plus for the copiers and phones, and the lowest is available there.